Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you are fine and absolutely rocking as always. So today we are going to see how your coming month of September 2021 is going to be. We're going to see in detail your angel cards, in which we will see your blessings coming your way, how you need to nurture yourself, changes coming your way in 2021 September, your health, your love life, your career, everything in detail. We'll also see a special message from Archangel Michael for you. So the ones who are new to my channel, this is Sheetal Sapin Matre. Welcome to my channel, and if you find the content interesting, do hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you are guided. The ones who are returning to my channel, thank you so much for taking time out and coming back and being an SSMian. It means a lot to me. I read your comments, guys, and they are so full of love. I'm so grateful to all the love that you shower on me in the comment section. It really makes me feel motivated, and more than motivated, it makes me feel so blessed that I have you all in my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So we're also going to see the birthday predictions for all the ones whose birthday is in the month of September 2021. So let's get started with our three options. Option number one is this beautiful amethyst pendant. Option number two is this cabochon, which has got the wish fulfilling tree on it. Option number three is this lovely unakite pendant. All right, so these are your three options. You can have tiles like this, which has got 1 2 3 written on it. You can say, dear God, goddess, archangels, how the month of September 2021 is going to be. Pick up any one particular tile, and whatever number comes, that is your pile. So you can do this with papers as well. Another method is, if you had to take any one of the options home, which would you take? Would you take this, which is this amethyst, or the cabochon, or the unakite? That can also help you. Another method is, you can just focus on all the three options and go by whatever is calling you. So let me zoom in for you. Your options. All right, and now let me zoom out. Okay, so let's get started. First, we will do a small prayer for all of you. I'm going to pray that you all have a wonderful September 2021. I was guided to use a green color candle. So, dear God, goddess, archangel, please bless everyone with a peaceful and a happy September 2021. This or better, thank you. Let me now clear your energies and my energies too. I'm using sage. Dear God, goddess, archangels, please clear the energies of all the ones who are watching this video. Bless them with peace, happiness, security, prosperity, financial abundance. This or better, thank you. All right, let me keep your sage over here. Okay, so let's get started with option number one. Hello pile number one, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. So if your birthday happens to be in the month of September 2021, I have done a special reading for you. You can see the timestamp below. And let's see how your month of September 2021 is going to be. We're going to get a special message from Archangel Michael. We're also going to see blessings from him for you guys in the month of September 2021. Apart from that, your love life, your health, changes coming your way, your finances, your career, and lot more. How you can nurture yourself in the month of September 2021. So before we begin, most of the candles, most of the statues and sage is available with my sales team. In case if you wish to place order, you can WhatsApp them, number given below. So let's get started with pile number 1. You have chosen this beautiful amethyst pendant, which means the month of September you are going to take steps to become more prosperous. You will feel secure and safe. At the same time, you will listen to your intuition. You will be constantly in touch with your intuition. You'll try and listen to your inner voice and make different changes in your life. All right, let me keep your option over here. Now let's see your card. We'll start with Archangel Michael's message. I'm hearing that pile 1 believes a lot in Archangel Michael, or there's some sort of connect with Archangel Michael that you have. Let's see how you need to nurture yourself. There is something that is kind of bothering you with regards to, a loved one's health or your health. I always say pray and take action and let everything surrender to the divine. Let's see what you need to surrender. Please note this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave what does not. Let's see your finance message. You're a very hardworking person is what I'm hearing. You really put all your efforts into whatever you do. Healing message. Your career. You are into some sort of creative field. However, you are not getting what you are giving kinds in regards to your career, or you want to reach out to more people, but somehow that's not happening is what I'm hearing. Let's see blessing from Archangel Michael. Okay, let me shuffle more. Alright, these 2 cards came up, so I will take them. Let's see your tarot cards. Group 1, September month. Group 1, September 2021. Group 1, September 2021. Alright, interesting. So I'll keep your Archangel Michael a message on the top. Let me keep your cards over here. Alright, and let me also keep your blessings over here. So we'll start first with the tarot cards. Alright, let me just see. I don't want his feet to feel the heat. Okay, it's not. Alright, let's see your first card. 8 of Wands. Wow. So group 1, the month of September 2021 is going to be of full speed. Before you even realize things are going to catch momentum, you will be like, oh my God, how come things are moving so fast? Things that were stuck with will start moving in a very fast speed. Some of you are going to travel, or you may make travel plans. September would be full of adventure and full of activity. All right, some of you will also have somebody coming over to your place via traveling from overseas or from a different place altogether, and it's going to be completely busy. You're going to receive lot of messages, you're going to receive lot of emails, and some of them are really going to take you by surprise, a pleasant surprise. All right, let me keep your card over here, the 8 of Wands. What a colorful card. Okay, Five of Cups. So I don't do reversal, guys, because there are 78 cards and each card is capable to present the right emotion. The ones who do reversal, respect to you. However, I just believe in reading the card as it is. All right, so coming back to your cards, the Five of Cups, that yes, there is going to be some sort of disappointments happening in September 2021. However, this card is telling you that do not look at what is lost, rather than focus on what you have gained or what is with you. All right, so focus on your blessings than on what is lost will really bring in a lot of peace of mind. All right, that's the Five of Cups. The death and the rebirth. So now, death does not mean in any way physical death. It means transformation, which is not easy. All right, so and this transformation is required for a person to go ahead. Now many a times people get scared, oh my god, it's a death card, there's going to be difficult transformation. But this difficult transformation, in the long run, you thank God for. You like, thank God this happened, because otherwise I would have been stuck at this job, or I would have been stuck with this person forever. So it is a transformation for the better. All right, and now I know some of you would be like, oh my god, I got the Five of Cups and the death card. Did I choose the wrong pile? Did should I just leave the video? Wait, we have other cards as well. All right, so let's see your blessing. Someone working against you behind your back. So this means this is a blessing from Archangel Michael, which means that whoever is working behind your back, you will come to know about that particular person will get revealed, and then that's not going to be easy, isn't it? When we come to know who is plotting against us, it's really very disheartening, and you feel such a loss. All right, but isn't it important that we come to know who is plotting against us, so that we can safeguard ourselves against that person? The second blessing coming your way when I see this card is that whoever is working against you is definitely going to meet their karma. All right, Archangel Michael is going to protect you against this people who are trying to plot against you, and they would regret that, oh, we should have never done this, because the last laugh you are going to have, my friend. All right, let's see your next blessing from Archangel Michael. Muddled, unclear thinking. Now this is a blessing, which means that whatever was your thoughts which were unclear, they're going to get more clear. All right, see, what happens is that's also a rebirth, right? When you're constantly having thoughts which are muddled, you don't know where you're going, what you need to do. However, once your thought gets cleared, you are able to take the right steps ahead, and when you're able to take the right steps ahead, you grow in all areas of your life, and that's a transformation. Right now, imagine if a caterpillar would have been so upset of going through all the process that it has to undergo before becoming a butterfly, then it will never become a butterfly, right? So it see, any which way it has to become a butterfly, and it has to go through that process. However, if it realizes that it's for its own good and enjoys the process, it will not be that that difficult for the caterpillar. So that is what these cards are telling you. There are there could be two sets of people who are going through similar experiences, but one looks at the positive side and feels very happy about the transformation. Some looks at the negative side and feels very disheartened. All right, so it's all about your perspective. So have a very good perspective that will really help you to enjoy this transformation. All right, let's see Archangel Michael's message. A favorable outcome. Wow. So all this this transformation that you're going to undergo, it's going to lead to a favorable outcome. You are going to be like, I am so happy that all this process led to such a beautiful outcome. All right, so look at this. Thank you for the beautiful outcome to the situation, which is perfect and fair for everyone involved. So again, if you see, there is this scale, all right, which means that whoever, okay, again, this is confirming, all right, that whoever is working against you will get their karma, all right. They will not be spared. they will learn their lesson that you shouldn't do all these things. Now let's see your love life. Wedding, the situation involves marriage. So the ones who are single, you are going to meet somebody really very interesting, and you will contemplate taking your relationship to the next level. The ones who are already in a relationship, or the ones who are married, you're going to spend really good time with your partner. The ones who are in a relationship may decide to take things ahead. You may talk about marriage to your partner. The ones who are already married, you may just see the old pictures, your wedding video, or it is a high possibility that there could be some sort of anniversary coming your way, or you may make your partner feel really special. You're going to have really good conversation, meaningful conversation with your partner, or you and your partner could attend somebody's wedding or engagement. Let's see your career. Environmentalist. So this card is clearly saying that your environment, all right, around you is going to get better. All right, there are going to be changes in your environment, whether you are into a business or into corporate. Also, you are going to incorporate aspects of environment, nature into your career or your business, which could simply mean becoming more organic, getting more indoor plants, having more crystals around, any of that. But yes, your environment around you is going to change, so if there are people plotting against you in your environment, that's going to really go away, and you're going to dance like this girl, tick 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 tick. Okay, all right. Let's see your next card. Let's see your health. Call upon Archangel Raphael for help. So in the month of September 2021, you can always call upon Archangel Raphael to help you to find the right doctor who can help you to heal. Also, you can ask Archangel Raphael to heal you. Please note that this particular advice is not meant to replace any doctor's advice or medicines. All right. Let's see your finances. Moonlighting. Okay, so it says you can start working on your dream career part-time while keeping your other job to pay the bills. Soon your dream career will take flight and fully support you. So you are going to start something on the side. If you're already having one career, you are going to explore another career which was always back of your mind, or lately you have been getting a lot of message that, hey, why don't you start doing this along with what you're doing. So you're going to get a lot of ideas. So focus on these ideas and take action. Sooner, all right, your career, which is the alternate one, will also start taking off. Okay, let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great month. Surrender your fear of intimacy. Now with the wedding card, I can understand it means getting closer to your partner. At times, a person feels very a person kind of builds a wall around them, and they are afraid that if anybody comes closer to them or becomes more intimate with them. All right, so this card is asking you to let love in. All right, and just release any pattern that is blocking you from experiencing intimacy with your partner. All right, let's see the changes coming your way. Moving. Wow. So you are going to move from all that which is not serving you, and when that happens, it's going to not be easy, right? That's why I got the rebirth card. So some of you may be moving home, some of you may be moving jobs, some of you could be moving certain aspects of your life, and that's always moving is not that easy, but it's essential, right? They always say a rolling stone gathers no moss, right? So it's not easy for the stone to roll as well, right? Okay, let me keep your card over here. Let's see how you need to nurture yourself. Alone time. Wow. So this card is asking you to spend time near water or spend time in solitude. Many times when we see the beach, all right, we feel so healed when you hear the waves of the ocean. There is so much of relaxation that we can feel. So this card is asking you to have some time alone, have some me time, because me time can really help a person to heal. Like like nothing else. All right, let's see blessings coming your way. A blessing on your intuition. And when you had got this amethyst, when you selected this amethyst pendant, I did tell you in the beginning of the session that your intuition, listen to your intuition, because it's really going to help you. All right, listen to your higher self, that can help you to release patterns, release people, and help you to move in the right direction. Overall, guys, if I look in your month of September, I'm seeing that the outcome is going to be favorable. The month will start well and end well, and in between there are going to be ups and downs, but these ups and downs are essential for you to move ahead. All right, this entire transformation is going to be essential. Now the ones who are like, oh my god, but I really don't want this transformation to be painful, so there is a simple way. Do not lose heart. All you need to do is just say, dear God, Goddess, Archangel Michael, I'm ready for this transformation. However, let this transformation be comfortable and peaceful for me and everybody involved. All right, so this way the transformation will become easy. All right, so I hope group 1 you enjoyed this particular message. If your birthday happens to be in the month of September, see your timestamp below. All right, take care. Bye bye. Hello group 2, how are you guys doing? I hope you are fun and absolutely rocking as always. So if your birthday happens to be in the month of September 2021, please see the timestamp below. I have done a special reading for you. So you've chosen this beautiful wish fulfilling tree. So some of you are going to experience wish fulfillment of like a big wish getting fulfilled, and mostly all of you are going to experience small wishes of yours getting fulfilled. All right, so the energy of manifestation is going to be very high in the month of September 2021, so make the most of it. All right, this crystal is available. Most of the crystals, most of the statues and candle sage are available with my sales team. You can WhatsApp them, number given below. All right, so let's get started with your love life. We're going to see a special message from Archangel Michael for you as well. There you go. Let's see blessing from Archangel Michael for you. Okay, all right, we got 2 cards. Okay, we'll use them. Let's see your career. I'm hearing the word baking, or maybe there is some sort of celebration happening regarding your career. Let's see your health. Financially, I'm seeing some sort of change happening. All right, especially in the way you handle money. I don't see outside change, but I see change with regards to how you handle money. Let's see the changes coming your way. I'm hearing the word moon, which means your intuition is going to be really very high. Your creativity is going to be very high. Let's see how you should nurture yourself. Blessings coming your way, group 2. We will also see your tarot cards. Group 2's September 2021. Group 2's September 2021. Group 2 September 2021. All right, let me pick your cards. All right. Are you guys ready to see the first card? Ta-da! Wow. The Eight of Cups, so beautiful. So you are going to move away from something which is not serving you at all. You are going to take steps to go towards what brings you joy, what brings you happiness, what brings you prosperity, knowledge, illumination. This movement may not be easy, but you would be like, it's high time I do it. All right. Also, some of you are going to spend a lot of time doing prayers, rituals. Some of you may even visit a spiritual place in the month of September 2021. All right, let's your next card. Four of Cups. All right, so it may so happen that you may feel bored, you may start feeling a little bit rejected, dejected. However, pay attention to the opportunities. There is some sort of opportunities that will come your way. Do not miss this opportunity because you're not paying attention to it. I'm also hearing some of you are going to color your hair. Okay, that's what I'm hearing. Let's see your next card. So till now you've got two cup cards, which means emotions are going to be of importance in the month of September 2021, and you're going to move away from something. I feel there's going to be an inward journey happening. Wow, the Queen of Swords. All right. So there is going to be a female who is going to help you in the month of September 2021. This female is going to be someone who is very practical, all right, and she will give you very practical advice. So listen to her because that's going to help. Also, this card is asking you to pay attention to logic and just don't get carried away with emotions. See, emotions are our strength when we process them calmly and when we process them wisely. All right, so make emotions your strength. Do not just push it under the carpet. Face your emotions and process them. If required, take some expert help as well. All right, so emotions are going to be of importance in the month of September 2021. Walk away from what is not serving you, but don't miss God's gift as well. All right, let's see your blessing from Archangel Michael. Someone is trying to come between you and a friend or something you want. So this is a blessing, which means whoever is trying to create conflict between you and a friend, or whoever or whatever is trying to be an obstacle in your wish, that is going to go away. That is why you chose this wish fulfillment cabochon, right? So your wish is going to come to fruition. At the same time, whoever is trying to create this conflict between you and your loved one, that particular person is going to get exposed. All right, and you are going to be so happy that this person got exposed and my relationship with my friend got saved. Okay, let's see your next card. Dealings or relationship with the woman. So this is a confirmation again. So this woman who is going to help you. This woman is very practical, very straightforward. She will not talk round and round. She's somebody who is very clear, concise, all right, in her communication. And this woman is going to help you in the month of September 2021. Wow, I love when cards are in sync. Let's see the blessing coming your way from Archangel Michael. A blessing for healing of injury or illness. Wow, this is so beautiful. So, this injury does not mean only physical injury. It means emotional injury as well. All right, or injury to a relationship. So there is a lot of healing energy available in the month of September 2021. Make the most of it by being open to receiving it. All right. Okay, let's see how you need to nurture yourself. Energy work. So spend time doing meditation, listening to guided meditation if you're not able to do it by yourself. Or you can also, if you know any sort of energy work, you can do that as well. Or just simply light a candle and say, dear God, Goddess, Archangels, heal my mind, body and soul. And just focus on the candle. That can also help to a very great extent. Let's see the changes coming your way. Keep the faith. So your faith is going to be very, very strong in the month of September 2021. You are going to be like, you know what, it doesn't matter. If things are not going the way I want them to, but I'm at least happy that there are other doors which has opened for me, and this door are helping me. All right, other doors, yeah. Let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great month. Surrender to joy. Wow, this is so amazing. So you are, going to uh, you need to really surrender to happiness, my friends. Stop complaining, because see, when the Four of Cups card comes, all right, this particular person, there is this cup which the divine is giving, but she's not ready to see this cup. She's too busy, on daydreaming or not paying attention, right? So if you just surrender to joy, you are going to really feel your energy is going to go so high, and you're going to experience such amazing things, especially the wish fulfillment part. Let's see your finances. It is safe for you to receive, so be open to receiving support, finances, and don't be like, no, I'm not comfortable receiving, or I'm not going to take help. Do not be like, we are not an island by ourselves. We all need help. All right, let's see your health. Massage. So stomach is going to be of importance in the month of September 2021. Some of you may decide to apply some oil in your navel. Do proper research and then do it. Some of you are going to really spend time going to a spa, getting some relaxing massages that will really calm you down and make you feel better. Let's see your career. Books. Wow. So learning and teaching is going to be of importance in the month of September 2021. Ensure that you're upgrading your knowledge so that you move ahead in terms of your career. It is also asking you to be open to new ideas. All right, let's see blessing from Archangel Michael again. Have confidence. So Archangel Michael is telling you that you will be able to handle anything and everything. Just be confident and understand one thing very clearly, that Archangel Michael is with you, and there is no need for you to worry regarding anything. All right, he is there helping you to bring this amazing situations in your life. Let's see your next card. Oh my God, this is, you got 2 times, all right, this message. It is safe. It is safe for you to love, for you to receive. This is regarding finances. This is regarding love life. I always tell everybody that receiving is a common energy. All right, when you have blockage to receiving, you block everything, whether it is money, whether it is compliments, whether it is love. So be open to receiving. See, earlier even I was like that. I used to have a lot of problems in receiving, but slowly and steadily I worked on that, and now if anybody compliments me, I just say thank you so much, and earlier I used to not even take gifts from my family, and now I take them with a lot of happiness. All right, so be open to receiving, because that's really going to help you. And with regards to love life, be secure. Okay, understand that you deserve love. All right, group 2, this was your message. I just want to pull one more card regarding blessing from Archangel Michael. Key, successful outcome to your problem. So Archangel Michael is giving this gift to you. Whatever your problems that you're facing is going to get resolved in the month of September 2021. Wow, this key will be given to you by this woman. All right, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this pick a card reading regarding how the month of September 2021 is going to be for you. If your birthday happens to be in the month of September 2021, check your birthday reading, link given below. Alright guys, take care. Bye-bye. Lots of love to you. Hello group 3, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. So we are going to see how the month of September 2021 is going to be for you in detail. whether it is your finances, blessings from Archangel Michael, message from Archangel Michael, love life, or how you nurture yourself, everything we're going to see in detail. So if you have chosen this beautiful Unakite pendant, it means that your clairvoyance is going to be very, very high. You are going to get messages via your vision, so pay attention to it, via your dreams as well. Some of you may conceive, the ones who are planning to conceive. Some of you will also create something completely different, a new project or something like that. All right, so let's start with your message. This Unakite Unakite pendant is available with my team. Most of the candles, most of the statues are available. You can WhatsApp them, number given below. Sales team. Okay, let's see the blessings from Archangel Michael for you. I'm hearing the word heal. So, a lot of healing energy. I'm also hearing that you tend to overthink a lot. So, somewhere you have to put a full stop to that. And this is happening lately. Lately you have been overthinking a lot, like too much. Let's see what you need to surrender. Let's see your finances. You're doing some sort of chanting, prayers, or affirmation for your finances to become better. Or are you doing my You Are Millionaire series? Okay. Let's see your career. Let's see message from Archangel Michael. You have a deep connect with Archangel Michael. He is there with you always. Some of you have had profound experiences with him. The ones who don't know who is Archangel Michael, this is Archangel Michael. And I have a video also in which I have explained who Archangel Michael is. You can have a look at that. Let's see the blessings coming your way. All right. Did I do? Not tarot cards. Okay. Group 3s, September 2021. Group 3s, September 2021. Group 3s, September 2021. There is some sort of birthday or anniversary coming up, maybe your or in your extended family. That's what I'm seeing. Okay, let's see your tarot cards. Knight of Pentacles. Wow. So, you are definitely going to move ahead. It may be slow, okay? The growth may be slow, but it will happen for sure. Yes, perfection is important, but in the process of being a perfectionist, do not miss your deadlines or overburden yourself. There is going to be a young man who is trustworthy and reliable. This young person is going to help you tremendously. All right, let's see. Wow, 9 of Cups. This is so amazing. So, a wish of yours is going to get fulfilled, and this wish is going to be really a big wish or maybe a small wish. No matter how big or small it is, appreciate it. All right, because the more you appreciate, first God will give you a small wish. If you appreciate that, you will get better wishes getting fulfilled. It is just like, if you have a child and you give your child something which your child asked for. And if the child is appreciative, even you feel motivated to get better things for your child. You will definitely give whatever your child wants, all right? But somehow it really helps, isn't it? Sorry, guys. Excuse me. All right. So, and this wish fulfillment could be in terms of finances as well. All right, let's your next card. Judgment. Wow. So you are going to review your life, all right? You're going to let go all that which is not serving you in any way. You're also going to forgive people who have caused you harm, because you somehow will realize that in order to go ahead in life, you need to let go of all this baggage. Also, there is going to be a positive transformation happening. You got such beautiful cards. Group 3, Knight of Pentacles, 9 of Cups, Judgment. You are going to have an amazing week ahead for sure. All right, the week may start slow, but it will go with a boom. All right, let's see the blessings from Archangel Michael for you. In need of help, assistance and guidance. So there's going to be a helping hand, all right? And take this help. Don't be like, no, I don't want to help, I don't want anybody's help. I can do this on my own. So be open to receiving support, be open to receiving help. Let's see your next card. My God, hand and boot. Increase your efforts if you want to achieve your goals. So this card is telling you that Archangel Michael is going to motivate you to put in more efforts, and these efforts are going to give you really big results. That's the blessing coming from Archangel Michael to you. We have more blessing cards. Let's see your love life first. Romantic feelings. Wow. So if you're single, you are going to meet someone who is going to stir feelings in you, and these feelings are worth exploring. If you're in a relationship or you're married, you and your partners are not partners, I'm so sorry. You and your partner is you guys are going to spend really good quality time with each other. I feel that there's a high probability that your partner may surprise you in a positive way. Let's see Archangel Michael's message. Energy healing work. So you are somebody who has got very high positive energy, and you bring healing to people around you. Many a times you help others. You are this person who helps others. So this time Archangel Michael is sending you this help, all right? So be open to take it. Also, you are going to bring in lot of changes in other people's life if you're a healer, or via your words. So communication is going to be of importance, all right, because you're going to bring in a lot of healing in other people's life. Let's see your career change. Wow. So whether you're in business or in corporate, there is going to be some sort of change, positive change coming in your career, and this change is going to bring you a lot of abundance. It could be that you were taking support of somebody else, like if you're into business, maybe you had tied up with some social media marketing agency, so you may change that, or you may change one of your staff member. If you are into corporate, maybe your boss may change, or maybe your work may change. There's going to be some sort of career change which is going to bring a lot of joy and abundance. That's your health card. Give us your care. So all the ones who are worried about their parents, or who are worried about their own retirement or old age, do not be worried. Archangel Raphael is with you, supporting you in every way. All right, don't worry, there is help available. Let's see your finances. No more complaining. Wow. So guys, with this card, you need to stop complaining and start counting all the blessings that the divine has given you. All right, this will definitely increase the flow of abundance in your life. Let's see what you need to surrender. Surrender to your intuition. Wow, I did tell you with this Una card that you're going to get a lot of visions. And see, again over here there's an eye. All right, so your clairvoyance is going to be very high. You're going to get a lot of profound dreams. So don't ignore your dreams, because that's going to really give you a lot of guidance. Let's see the changes coming your way. seeking and finding. So this card is saying that whatever you are seeking, you will find it. All right, so ask yourself, what is it that I'm seeking in my love life, in my finances, in my career, and how can I find it? What action do I need to take to find it? Okay, that's what you're going to focus on in the month of September 2021. Let's see how you need to nurture yourself. Journal. I did speak about writing. So you are going to spend time writing your thoughts in your journal. You're going to you really need to, I always feel that when you write down, something in you just shifts. Okay, whether it is pain, whether it is happiness, something in you just shifts. Do see the frustration magic video, guys. It's on my channel. It can really help you to tackle your frustration in a very positive way. All right, let's see the blessing coming your way. Blessing of the water. So whatever that was stuck will start flowing. You learn to let go and you learn to flow with life. Things that were really, not going the way you want to, you will either change your mindset regarding that and find alternate pathways, or the thing will just shift around whatever it is that you desire. All right, so the blessing coming your way is definitely lot of fluidity. Also, some of you may receive perfume as gift. You may start drinking a lot of water, or you may start taking beverages that are going to really nurture and nourish you. All right, so these are the beautiful blessings coming your way, group 3. I hope you enjoyed your reading. I will remove one more card for you. Let me see. I'll remove Archangel Michael's message for you, because I see a very huge connect that you have with Archangel Michael. Shield yourself. Wow. So shield, you just need to ensure that you do not discuss your plans till they have come to fruition. Also, shield yourself from people who are negative and who are not going to be happy in your happiness. It's very easy to know who is not happy in your happiness. The moment you tell anything good that is happening in your life, their expression just changes for nanoseconds. All right, so you will be able to find those people very easily. So protect yourself, do rituals for shielding yourself. There's a mini video that is there on my channel, protection and shielding mini workshop. All right, so that's free. That's on my on YouTube. You can have a look at that. Okay, group 3, if your birthday is in the month of September 2021, see the link below. I'm going to do a detailed reading for you guys. Take care, guys. Bye bye. Hello, my birthday babies of the month of September 2021. If your birthday happens to be in the month of September 2021, we are going to see how your birthday is going to be in detail. We're also going to see the blessings coming your way in the month, from your birthday onwards. We will also see your other divination tools, what they're going to tell about your birthday. So let me be the first one to wish you happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear September babies, happy birthday to you. And the ones who are like, we are not babies, please, there's an inner child in all of us and who loves birthdays. All right, so let's get started with your birthday message, my friends. I hope you have a wonderful birthday. All right, let's see how your birthday is going to be. All right. Let's see the blessings coming on your birthday. Let's pick a card from this. Archangel Michael's message. Some of you are going to receive a religious statue or an angel as a gift, or maybe some crystal or something. Let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great birthday. changes coming on your birthday. Let's see how you should nurture yourself on your birthday. All of us should make ourselves feel special on our birthday because we have chosen this beautiful day to be born on earth. Okay, now let's see your cards. I'm so excited. My birthday is in September, 8th of September. In case if you want to see how I'm going to celebrate my birthday, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try and upload a video. Alright, let's see. The Knight of Swords, my God, your birthday, you're going to be so busy. You're going to be running from one, you'll be like, I have to spend my birthday with this people, then with this people, like with my family, with my friends. So you are going to be very busy on your birthday. You're going to be really moving forward. You're going to ensure that you just, take steps to... because you're going to be getting so many messages. There's going to be somebody younger who is going to make your birthday really special. Some of you may get a vehicle as a gift as well on your birthday. There's going to be a lot of messages, guys. World, you are going to feel so special. The entire world is going to be like, celebrating your birthday. They are going to be like, oh, this person is so special, this person is such a blessing in our life, and they are going to really shower their blessings, their love on you on your birthday. Also, you are going to really dress well, and you're going to there are going to be many people celebrating your birthday along with you. Like, many people are going to thank God that you are born. All right, that's your next card. Temperance. Wow, there is going to be angel energy around you on your birthday. So don't be surprised if you see rainbows, if you see angel statues, angel pictures on your birthday. Some of you have even prayed to the angels to make your birthday really special. You are going to be calm on your birthday. Everything is going to be in harmony. Everything is going to be in peace. You're going to be so relaxed on your birthday. So you have got two Major Arcana cards, all right, which means your birthday is going to be really it feels that it is an important year. All right, it is, or maybe this year you're going to do something very important. So it's a milestone with regards to age, and maybe some of you are going to really do something with regards to, you're going to like some sort of milestone you're going to achieve on your birthday, or you're planning to achieve on your birthday. Let's see the blessings coming your way. Wow, new creative ideas, new ventures, a fresh start. So sunrise, this is so beautiful. There's going to be so much of happiness on your birthday. You are going to feel so uplifted. There are going to be a lot of ideas coming to you. People are going to also celebrate your birthday in a very creative way. Wow. That's your next blessing. Announcement. Wow. So some of you are going to make important announcements on your birthday. It could be regarding a very special event. And as I said with the world card, all right, there's going to be something major happening in your life. Wow. The blessing coming your way is an announcement, which means an important event is going to occur in your birthday month. Wow. Let's see another blessing coming your way, a blessing on resolution. So something, okay, if there's some sort of conflict which was not getting resolved on your birthday, that is going to get resolved. Don't be surprised if somebody who was not talking to you sends you a message wishing you a happy birthday. Now, please don't waste your time thinking that, my ex will send me a message or something like that. Let's see how you should nurture yourself. Connect with crystals. I did tell you, some of you are going to receive crystals as gift as well, or some sort of spiritual product. So spend some time with crystals or in nature. That is really going to make you feel calmer on your birthday. Some of you may even get diamond or crystal as a gift. Wow. Let's see your next card. Windfall. Oh my god, this is so amazing. I'm so happy for all of us. Okay, so windfall and announcement, all right, which and also the sunrise card. So there is going to be some sort of abundance coming your way, all right, on your birthday. Or in your birthday month, that is on September 2021, there is going to be this abundance energy of blessings, all right. Wow, we are going to have a rocking birthday. Surrender the habit of people pleasing. So, if you stop, I think this works two ways. One, you may be like, I made so many people's, it's not people's, okay, I'm so sorry. I made so many people feel special on their birthday, so they should make me feel special on my birthday. Don't be in that mindset. Rather than, and also, if you do not want to spend your birthday with someone, do not spend, all right. You can spend the next day with them, but on your birthday there is no need for you to please people, okay. Please yourself. Let's see Archangel Michael's message. Pay attention to your dreams because they're going to come true. Yes, so Archangel Michael will show you some very important, profound dreams on your birthday or in your birthday month, and this is going to be very, very important. Let's see. Artists, wow. So you are going to spend your birthday doing something really creative, all right, with this new creative ideas, new ventures, a fresh start. That's not surprising. So you're going to do something really very artistic, creative, or your birthday is going to be celebrated in a very creative manner, all right. Wow, we are going to have a great birthday, my friends, all my September bonds. So wow, look at these cards. Temperance, resolution, sunrise, bell, the world card, windfall. So awesome. It's really going to be a happy birthday to all of us. All right, now let's see your other divination tools, what they are saying regarding your birthday. So this are your divination tool. I've already randomly just picked things up. You got bed, all right, which means some of you could literally buy a new bed, or this is telling you to rest, okay? Take rest. You've got, oh, look at this. You got another bed picture, and what a coincidence, all right? Some of you are actually going to buy bed, or some of you have not been able to sleep peacefully. You have been having disturbed sleep. So now you're going to have peaceful sleep is what this is saying. Also, you're going to, relax and rest. Okay, let me pick your other charms. You got pearls, so there is going to be a lot of, receiving money as well. You're going to receive of financial abundance. Wow, look at this. You got the sun, and over here you got the sunrise. So a lot of happiness coming on your birthday and from this year onwards, okay? Sun represents happiness, joy, and fresh start, all right? You got the word good, which means your birthday is going to be really good. You've also got the word long. All right, so maybe you will not celebrate your birthday only one day. You'll celebrate for further days, or maybe people will keep on sending you gifts throughout. You got grow again, okay? Over here you have got grow, and there was some card which also spoke about growth. Some blessing, yeah. Over here there was this bell announcement. So announcement is a form of growth, all right? So you're going to grow. City, some of you may travel somewhere in the city itself. All right, you got this clouds and rainbows. So you're going to see rainbows, a lot of colors coming into your life. You got this pan, so maybe somebody is going to make something very special for you. Oh my god, you got a hand, which means you're going to get a lot of support. A lot of people are going to come together to make your birthdays feel really, make it special for you. Good things come to those who wait. So you have been waiting for your birthday, and a lot of good things are going to come your way because you are somebody who has waited long enough for them. You got this this flamingos, okay, who are kind of, close to each other. So love, friendship is going to be amazing on your birthday. Let's see, you got crown. Wow, so you're going to you're going to feel so special on your birthday. This is so amazing. Let's see what else you have got. Okay, you have got believe in love. All right, believe in love. You have got made with love. So God has made you with a lot of love. All right, so cherish yourself. You've also got never give up. Don't give up on any of your dreams. Try to figure out ways to bring your dream into fruition. That would be really very good for you. Let's see your angel numbers. We have 2 angel numbers. We have got the number 52, which means positive changes are coming in your life, especially on your birthday. Have faith. Let me keep it over here. You got the number 37, which means God, Goddess, and archangels are with you and you're on the right path. They are proud of you. Let me just remove your alphabets. This could be your initials, your whole name, somebody else's whole name, or there could be a word that needs your attention. So there are many of you who make such amazing words. You can just try that out. All right. So you have got WTCKNLEICU. I see you. Okay. ISEEYOU. I see you. Okay. I don't want you to think about ICU, the hospital. All right. So yeah, your birthday is going to be amazing. Our birthday is going to be amazing. All those of us who are born in the month of September, we are going to have an amazing birthday, my friends. So enjoy your birthday. And if you want me to make a video regarding how I celebrated my birthday, write in the comment section. I will try and film it, all right, if possible. Take care, guys. Have a wonderful birthday. Take care. Bye bye.